Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the device measurement ready. Update both devices, then open Health and enable sleep tracking and the vital signs you'll use. Make sure you grant permission so readings flow from watch to Health. Put the watch on snugly on the wrist you wear to bed and charge it to about 80% before sleep so monitoring won't stop. Once done, set a realistic sleep schedule and wind down. This ensures consistent baseline data and improves the quality of overnight metrics the watch can collect. Now you run a full night recording. Put the watch in sleep mode just before bed and verify Do Not Disturb is active so sensors run without interruption. Make sure the blood oxygen and respiratory rate settings allow background overnight measurements. These provide key signals related to breathing disturbances. Throughout the night, the watch logs motion, heart rate variability, and oxygen trends, data you need to spot patterns. In the morning, open the Health app and check the overnight summary so you understand what the watch captured and why. Finish by interpreting results and preparing next steps. You'll compare nightly SpO2 dips, respiratory rate changes, and sleep fragmentation in Health. Export or share summaries with your clinician if you suspect sleep apnea. If readings are missing or erratic, troubleshoot. Make sure permissions and background refresh are enabled, the watch had sufficient battery, and the band fit was consistent. If SpO2 seems inconsistent, clean sensors, reposition the watch, and repeat measurements over several nights to build reliable trends before drawing conclusions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.